In this video, let's see how to perform a system restore in Windows 10. System restore helps you return your computer's system files to an earlier point in time. It's a good way to solve recent software issues without affecting your personal files, such as email, documents, or photos. Find System Restore by using the Cortana search box on the taskbar. In the search box, type Recovery, and then click on the Recovery icon from the search results. Click on the Open System Restore link to launch the wizard. Click Next. You can choose from a list of restore points created before a significant change, such as installing a program. Click Next. Click Finish to confirm restoring to the selected restore point. Click Yes to continue. System Restore will now try to restore your Windows to the selected restore point and restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, you will receive a status report on the restore operation. You can undo or restore to a different restore point if needed. To learn more about Windows 10 on your Dell computer, visit dell.com/support/Windows 10 or contact us on facebook.com/Dell or @DellCares on Twitter. Thanks for watching.